Hello everybody, this is Robert from Riddick's English, and today we're going to have a lesson about 10 different ways to cook. So in this lesson today we'll learn about 10 different cooking methods. And all of these are common words used in recipes and the kitchen. Understanding these terms will help you follow cooking instructions and will also improve your English vocabulary. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Roasting, roasting, roasting. Roasting is a method of cooking food, especially meat or vegetables, by exposing it to dry heat in an oven or over a fire. We roasted the chicken in the oven until it was golden brown. Broiling, broiling, broiling. Broiling is cooking food directly under or above a very hot flame or element, typically in an oven. She broiled the fish for just a few minutes, giving it a nice char on top. Stir-frying, stir-frying, stir-frying. Stir-frying is a cooking technique where food is quickly fried in a small amount of oil over high heat while being stirred continuously. He stir-fried the vegetables with garlic and soy sauce for a quick and healthy dinner. Baking, baking, baking. Baking is cooking food by surrounding it with dry heat, usually in an oven, commonly used for bread, cakes, and pastries. We spent the afternoon baking cookies for the holiday party. Grilling, grilling, grilling. Grilling involves cooking food on a grill over direct heat from below, usually over charcoal or gas flames. They grilled hamburgers and hot dogs for the family barbecue. Simmering, simmering, simmering. Simmering is cooking food gently in liquid just below the boiling point, so small bubbles form and rise slowly. She simmered the soup for an hour to let all the flavors blend together. Steaming, steaming, steaming. Steaming is cooking food using steam, typically by placing the food in a perforated container above boiling water. Steaming vegetables is a great way to preserve their nutrients and bright colors. Boiling, boiling, boiling. Boiling involves cooking food by submerging it in boiling water or another liquid. He boiled the pasta until it was tender, then drained it in a colander. Smoking, smoking, smoking. Smoking is a method of cooking and flavoring food by exposing it to smoke, often from burning wood or charcoal. The chef smoked the salmon for hours, giving it a rich and smoky flavor. Braising, braising, braising. Braising is a combination cooking method that involves searing food at a high temperature and then finishing it in a covered pot with liquid at a lower temperature. She braised the beef in red wine and broth until it was tender and flavorful. So that's it for our 10 methods of cooking today. Learning those will definitely make you more fluent. And I will say these 10 cooking methods are key techniques that you'll find in many recipes. And knowing the difference between roasting, broiling, stir-frying, and the other methods will help you better understand cooking instructions and give you the ability to prepare a wide range of dishes. So I hope that's helpful to you. This is Robert from Riddick's English. Please subscribe to our channel to help us grow, and I will see you next time.